But I know, but there's so many ways you can get hepatitis to begin with.
Yeah.
So I mean, I always thought it was it's going to be a problem when you're looking at, like, for example, I mean, for the life insurance, I mean, am I going to have no exam? Can I get no exam on these issues?
Oh, sure.
On hepatitis C?
Sure.
See, that surprises me because we've been in the business so long. There has been major changes in underwriting protocols for simplified issue.
Right.
And you're saying even for hepatitis C.
Yes.
Remember, it's easy to contract, but I can't get rid of it.
Right.
And you're saying that I can get no exam life insurance.
Yes.
Yeah. Is it affordable though?
Yes, it can be. There are different companies have different rates, and again, it may depend on how long you've had it or certain things like that. But you can get a policy normally with an exam or without an exam with hepatitis C.
Now, there's players specifically, if I'm reading this right. There's players specific to hepatitis B,
Right.
as well as segregate hepatitis C.
Right.
So that's how managed it is in
Right.
the insurance world.
Yes.
Now, and we're looking at, if I really want to take a shot at getting the best possible price, and I elect to take a full exam, which I could do, right?
Right, right.
And if I do that, you have certain players that you've seen that are really much more benevolent than other carriers.
Yes, we do. We have some carriers that will, really go the whole length and look at the liver labs that their blood test shows. They will look at the biopsy and determine whether they can give them a better rate because they've had a good biopsy without any cirrhosis, etc. And so, yes, a lot of the companies have been very fair toward people with hepatitis A, B, or C.
Yeah, in fact, actually, I always forget about A myself
very
because
common.
It's very common, but,
Yeah.
but it's so common. I kind of thought, yes, we're covering that.
Right.
But B and especially C,
Sure.
hepatitis C seems to be the really quarantine subject, but you're saying not anymore.
Right.
And it can be exam or no
exam. Exactly.
But you're saying the price is affordable though.
Yes, it is affordable.
Okay, well, see,
yes.
to me, that's a key issue because
Yeah.
even if I have hepatitis C, I could still get and secure affordable life insurance.
That's right.
Okay,
Yep.
well, before we get off the air, why don't you go ahead and give them your contact information
Okay.
and they can talk to you about this.
Okay, I'd love to talk to you about that. 866-866-0242. You can call us and just give us the details about your hepatitis so that we can find you a policy with an exam, or just tell us you have it and we'll find you a no exam policy.
Tell them your website while you're on the line, too.
Our website is www.outlooklife.com.
Excellent.